I found these adorable little wooden mushrooms at Dollar Tree recently, and I thought they would be perfect for my Christmas tree. If you were here last year, you may know that I made some mushrooms out of salt dough, and I decorated my Christmas tree with them. I'm using acrylic paint to paint my mushrooms, and I chose a deep red for the caps and a light gray color for the stems and spots. You could use white or light brown if you prefer, and you could also paint the mushroom caps whatever color matches your theme. I don't know what this tool is meant to be used for. I found it at the dollar store, and I'm just using it to poke a hole in the top of my mushrooms. If you're handy with a drill, maybe you could use that, or if you have a thin nail, maybe you could hammer that in a little bit and then pull it out so you have a place to insert a hook. These can be found in the jewelry making section of any craft store. If you can't find them or don't want to use them, you can just cut a little piece of wire and make a loop at the top. I'm making my loop a little bit bigger because I want to be able to fit a piece of twine through there as a hanger for my tree. And in case you missed last year's video, these are the salt dough mushrooms I made, and I will leave a link in the description to the video showing you how to make them in case you want to make some for yourself.